Pinduoduo, it's the fastest growing e-commerce platform in China. And this mobile app, it's really, really different. Number one, it's pure mobile. You just get it on your mobile and you check this deal on mobile. And after number two, it's not really an e-commerce platforms. It's a platform for deal. You only have good deal, only good discount there. So you just go there to find very good deal of what you usually buy to get something cheaper and in usually bigger quantity. So imagine yourself, you have some chocolate that usually costs 100 RMB, and on the platform, you have some kind of like brand or wholesale or private people who can sell the same basically chocolate box. Instead of selling at 100 RMB, you buy it at 50 or 40 RMB, but you need to find 100 buyers. So because there is only 5 or 10 people who want to buy it, who say that they apply to the deal, people and users create groups on WeChat to invite their friends to buy this product, to increase number of people who want to get this deal. So why Pinduoduo it's become so viral and it's so good is because it invite all the users to invite their friends to join the platform to participate to the deal. And this really works in China because all of them are happy to share a deal with some of their friends. After, the second thing that I see and I notice that is good on Pinduoduo compared to the other platforms, it is the recommendations. You go to Tmall, JD, it's basically based on search. You go there, you search for product, you search this, you search that. So it's a search platform. But Pinduoduo, the search function is limited. What is really highlight, it is a recommendation. So you just go there and you get a feed of products and deals that appear. You can go up and down and you see the different deals that you have based on your own interest. So if you're a chocolate buyer, they will offer all to you the chocolate deal and the other food that you can like and you appreciate. So the more you like something, the more they will recommend to you something. So it's really a platform based on your interests and it's really effective. Why? Number 3, I like Pinduoduo for marketer or for brands. It's because the costs of operation in time and service, it's super low. So it means if you have a brand and you want to go there, the price of doing business there, it's super low. It's very cheap. So it's not effective as Tmall is not huge, but with a small, basically budget, you can apply there and start to make some trial, launch some deal or something like this. And I know some people, they will say you like, okay, I'm killing my brand, I'm doing this. Yes and no. Yes, because it's not good to enter and always get discount. But the good part is like when the deal is finished, the page disappears. So there is no more place online when the price and the deal have been done. And it can be a good way as a new brand or something like this to sell your first product and get feedback of users. So it can be good if you also want to do that. It can be good also if you want to clear your stock. You have a lot of stock of product that are unsold. You just put them in Pinduoduo. They suggest you have some deal, you sell 100, 200, 1,000 products. And after you can, sell something and get some basically money, get some consumer, get something like that. So it's a very good basically platform. It's also a platform where you can find a lot of dealer and wholesaler, people who are reselling the product. So you can find the people there, contact them, and they will resell your product under their name or something. So basically you are selling to this kind of like distributors. So Pinduoduo, it's very good. You want to sell on Pinduoduo, make your first app there, you can contact us and we will basically explain you what you need to do, what you need to have a successful Pinduoduo campaign. More questions? Don't hesitate to ask us in the comments. And we have also some white book about Pinduoduo. Feel free to ask us and we will be very, very happy to share these white books to you. Thank you, guys.